People who are too blank are liable to be deceived by unscrupulous individuals. Is it A, credulous, B, weary, C, cynical, or D, demanding? Number five, the correct answer is letter A, credulous. Pag sinabi natin credulous, it means that you are naive. You can be easily tricked by other people. Ayan, so madali kang mauto, 'di ba? Madali kang mauto sa mga tao nagsasabi sa'yo ng mga magagandang words, tas in the end, iiwan ka rin. Huy! Char lang. Okay? Ayan, credulous, no? Gullible, innocent, or naive. Pag sinabi naman po natin wary, it means you just have to be cautious. You just have to be careful with your own actions, no? That's wary. It's synonymous to being careful, to being scrupulous. Ayan. Pag sinabi nating cynical, it's more of a viewpoint. It's like a disposition, a belief system wherein you think that people cannot be trusted. Okay? Yan. So, may trust issues ka kapag ikaw ay cynical. Di ba? So, it is synonymous to ironic, being pessimistic. Ayan. So, being sarcastic. Ayan. So, cynical. Ayan. Uto-uto pa naman ako, coach. So, wag magpapauto po, especially sa board exam, wag magpapauto sa mga distractors.